I love it. I love the conversation. I think it's really, really dope. She's giving us a lot. You know, she gets shy around me because I'm a brother. She don't like to talk all that shit, but she said she jumps in a pool butt naked and cannonballs. And she's talking that shit. Yo, Will Castro, what's up? Long Island on the check-in. Where's she at? Let's see if she hit me with a request. What's up, y'all? Nah, you know the Fat Joe show, the big show. We don't play. We're trying to get, I think, well, Lil Wayne said he's coming on next week. So we got Lil Wayne, we got Cory Booker lined up. We might have La lined up. I mean, you know, we you know, it's the biggest show in the game. This shit ain't for play. And don't nobody help us. You guys, you've been seeing some free shit every night that's legendary. I go on with the big boys every night. There you go. There you go. Yo, Ashanti, I just seen the side of your. I remember they used to give you hell over your
About my
sideburns.
sideburns. Listen, she got nice hair, okay?
She got beautiful hair, nigga. Baby hair. Now you good where you at right now?
All right, let me turn this down. I have to plug my phone in right quick. I feel like I'm mad shiny.
I mean, you know.
So where was we at? The first time we met. And
All right, so I just go. So that night we had cut the record for Big Pun. The song thing I want. Everybody said, please, Joe, don't sing. All right, so I won't sing because I can't sing. And and so that went down, and that was beautiful. We did the animated video. I think that was one of your first songs you got on that was like, you know, and huh?
huge record. I was so excited. But we had to fight for it to say featuring Ashanti. I remember my mom called BET like, I need my child's name. Mama Jer has been the general from the very beginning. She was
It got blurry again. We're not gonna cut off, but just move around the house a little because you're going to the same spot. When you first hit me back, your shit was crystal clear.
Hold on, let me go to another spot. Ugh. Let me take my charger.
Where can we find that? They're perfect right there. Where can we find that merchandise?
AshantiMerch.com. Super simple.
It's super simple. Yo, sis. So I tell you, the next time was, I don't know if you know, Irv and Ja had called me and they woke me up like 3 in the morning and they said, yo, come down. We made a song for you. It's right after Pun Pass. So when I go to the studio, it was like 4 in the morning. They played What's Love and you on it. And they was telling me, yo, this is for you and J-Lo. We want the Latinos on this, and this, and that. But you sounded so, that's a fact.
Yo, I never knew that.
Oh, no, that's a fact. They want, the dogs ain't going.
Yo, they wildin'. Bougie. Get over here. Oh, my God. Sorry. They wildin'. I have 8 puppies in here.
8?
8. My dogs had 6 babies.
I'm good. I got one dog. His name is Bismarcky. And he's a little motif. I love him to death. And that's it.
So go ahead. What was you saying? You said that was supposed to be for J-Lo?
They had J-Lo. They wanted J-Lo to do it. And I was like, yo, J-Lo. I said, this the girl we use at Pun. I said, she sound amazing on here. And they was like, yeah, but we want the Latino, you know. And I was like, nah, we leaving her there. And that's how that went down.
Yo, do you know I never knew that?
No, it's a fact, though. I'm not lying to you.
Oh my God, yo, he stayed pulling records or trying to pull records from me.
No, stop.
Yo, you know I don't curse in front of my fans.
Hey yo,
damn.
Ashanti, this guy. So, but it's not throwing shots. That was a Joker moment. But you know,
Yo.
Puff Daddy called me the Puerto Rican Oprah, Jopra. So I've been running with that. So but anyway, it happened. It went #1 in America, and at the same time, you had like three. You was #1, 2, and 3, right?
Technically, I wrote "Ain't It Funny," so it was 4 records on the Billboard, and all of them was top 5. So that's how that whole thing with Ashanti tied the Beatles came into play, because I wrote the "Ain't It Funny" record.
And let me tell you something. Let me tell you your biggest moment was when I went topless in Mexico with you. Yo, if you see to this day, if I see any pictures, that was my biggest moment at the time. Like,
It was MTV Beach House.
After that, the shit started selling. It started going crazy after that. Like they was like, I'm the first fat guy to go topless like that too. And Rick Ross, Khaled, they all ran with it, but I was the first.
That's right, Joey.
Yo, let me tell you something. If I see the pictures, you smiling like this, you like, yo, this nigga crazy right here, like, yo. But I was thinking, I was with Lorena, and I was thinking that we was in Vegas just before that. We drove down. Mine used to fly, so we went in the tour bus down through Mexico. We got robbed 7 times in Mexico, but again, like come on stage topless. I'm like, what? She was like, yo, I'm telling you, come with no shirt on. We got these little Fendi towel. We had the Fendi towel over. And ever since that, every week the sales was just doubling, tripling, and
crazy. See, that's that confidence. That's that I don't care. I'm doing me. My shit is lit right now. That's that confidence right there. That's what everybody loves.
Yeah, they love that shit. This corrupt. So around that time, so it was fun time.
Oh my God.
Yo, Ashanti, you got 10 dogs in the other room.
Yo.
10 of them. You don't even know who to blame. You don't even know which one.
Hey, step on the glass. Yo, it's crazy right here in my house. This quarantine shit.
Like, do we realize he's an animal? Like, we talk to him like he's a human being. Like, yo, bitch, stop lifting the thing. Stop that. He's like, I'm a dog. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, no, my sister's here now, and some liquor just exploded. That's what that was. That wasn't the dogs.
Now your sister be turning up.
You already know. You already know.
She be turning up. I know, sis.
Her and Lorena. Oh God, when they get together.
It's weird. It's weird for me. You blurry. Go to the other side.
Oh my gosh! Why does this keep happening?
I don't know why. If you crystal clear, nah, it ain't clear like that.
Let me go back this way.
Let's see if it's getting better. I mean, it's less blurry there. Yes, don't worry about all that. Yo, Ashanti, you beautiful. I tell you, everybody's crush. I told you everything you needed to hear. The baby hairs, the
Wait,
like,
let me check my Wi-Fi real quick. Hold on.
Oh my God.
online is watching, y'all are trash, and I'm changing my service.
Well, you look clear right now. You perfect. Don't move. So if the dog bark, don't go over there.
It's one right here.
So I go back, Shanti, I go back when all this Murder Inc. G in this shit.
I definitely felt like what do you call that? The innocent bystander. You know how you get sniped by a stray bullet? I definitely felt like I had nothing to do with it, but what do they call it? Guilty by association. And it's crazy because at the time, my ex was from Queens, you know, that 50 dude. And I was like, what? I didn't know none of the history. And he was from Queens, so he knew. And I was just like, well, that has nothing to do with me. He's never going to say anything about me. None of that's, you know. And then I started hearing stuff, and I was like, what? And
Yeah.
it's crazy because, like, the mentality is people look at you, if y'all together, they going after everybody. Nobody's, you know what I'm saying? Even innocent people. And we were winning, and you know, I guess it comes with it.
Was that part of the reason why? Because you're not signed to Murder Inc. no more, right?
No, not at all.
So was that part of that? Like you was like, yo, I got to get away from this shit, or
That stuff happened, like with the indictment and all of that stuff. You saw me at the trial. I was there all the time. You know what I'm saying? Front row. And it got to the point where Murder Inc. dissolved. You know what I'm saying? So what am I supposed to do? You know, distributor and do what I do. You know what I'm saying? So you're never going to put me in a situation where I'm going to be asked out. You know, if you throw me over the boat, it's going to be sink or swim.
I never understood, but it was just too much going on. It was the case, it was the this, it was that, and and
Yeah.
to your credit, you was like, yo, I'm a female by the way too. Like so,
Say that one more
I
time.
never understood females being like collateral damage or being in the middle of a beef. Like I felt like a female's a female. You know, it is what it is. Like
Exactly.
damn with dudes I had beef with, and I never disrespected it. Like I
Right.
always was like
Because
actually
that's
even
weak.
more respectful.
Only weak dudes do that. You know what I'm saying? And I've gotten apologies from them, more
Mm-hmm.
than one of them over there, you know, on that team. You know what I'm saying? I've gotten apologies.
We'll switch it all the way positive, right? No, it's just I feel like when I interview somebody, I want the people to learn something new about them. So if
Yeah.
they didn't know with this coronavirus beef and all that, tell me about that.
Yeah. I mean, just being from Long Island, sometimes people forget about us. You know, are um people are overcome with Manhattan and Queens and the Bronx and all the boroughs. You know what I mean? And sometimes they forget about us all the way out here in Long Island. So I said, I want to do something. What can I do to help? They had reached out to me a while ago, like last year when they first started the company, because I'm a pescatarian. I'm trying to go all the way, but I don't eat meat. So I've been on their products for a while, and I was like, I would love to be a part of this. I want you guys, can we help to donate to my local hospital where I was born? My mom used to work there. You know, my and all the sandwiches were plant based, which is cool because it gives you an option, you know? And they were like, thank you so much, because they appreciated everything, like food and drinks and stuff people were donating, but they were like, thank you for thinking about something healthy and thinking about something in the morning, because with our shifts, the free donations, you know what I'm saying? So I was happy to be a part of it.
You
And
know,
then
I
we did
almost
the
got,
mask. We did the mask too. We did the I donated 30,095 masks as well. So
that's beautiful, man. I can't even find one N95 mask. You donating 30. You know, yo, Ashanti, I almost got murdered in Africa.
stop. We told y'all not to go to that part.
Yo, let me tell you, I went over there. They kidnapped me and Job. But let me tell you the craziest shit that happened to me. One boom, I'm in my boxes. So now we already shook because this dude is like a warlord or whatever, right? I open the door. He walks in and got 100 guys in the hallway with black. Pulls out a phone. He goes, Ashanti. I'm like, huh? He was like, Ashanti. So yo, bro, I don't have Ashanti's number.
Oh my God.
I'm looking at this dude, man. I'm looking at this dude. Thank you, mama. I'm looking at this dude, and he's like, Ashanti, give him the phone. I say, yo, bro, I just make music with her. I don't got her number. I don't, like, I can't get it to Ashanti. Fuck Ashanti. I'm like, yo, this thing. He was looking forward to you coming out there, but he was trying to take it out on me.
Oh
And I
my
was like,
God.
I said, oh my God. And I remember when we got to Portugal, one in Portugal, and you was
Yes.
there, glammed up, looking beautiful. Me and Job been kidnapped for 2 weeks in Angola, Africa. And you was like, yo, what's up, bro? I was like, you left me to die.
Yo, I don't know what part of the deal y'all was worked in. I don't know what happened with y'all part of the deal, but my part of the deal said Portugal, and that was it.
Yo, this man,
Listen,
he
I'm
was
telling
so
you, you
mad at
know.
Sean. Tell you something. I was like, yo, the dude was asking for Ashanti 4 in the morning. I remember I called her and I was like, yo, man, this nigga tripping. He asking for Ashanti now.
Yo,
And
Joe.
so everybody got to understand, I'm over there. They would have killed me. But we ain't got no guns. We over there. He got 100 dudes with him. And then they start, you know, this guy, right? And he never did nothing to me, but the United Nations came to see me. I'm in the lobby. So you got to eat. You eat in the lobby. So a white dude and a black dude came and sat next to me. Oh, Fat Joe, what's up? I said, what's up? And they was like, yo, here's our card. You might need this card to get out of here. Yo, it was that crazy. But you
Yo,
know,
I remember, and all I remember was when my attorneys and my accountant, when they had worked out the deal, they were like, I don't think they should go to that part. It was like, you're not going. My deal was structured.
Said, y'all was back here like, I'm like, y'all.
Both of y'all was cursing me out, and I didn't have nothing to do with it.
I'm happy you ain't come. To be honest with you, I'm happy you ain't come. You've been watching these versus battles.
Yeah.
You saw the Jill Scott.
Definitely, I love the
Badu.
Jill Scott and Erica. One of my favorite parts of that, I came in the middle. One of my favorite parts was when Erica got cut off and Jill played Tyrone. And I was like, yo,
and from a woman empowerment perspective, there was no more beautiful moment than that. But from a guy perspective, I was like, Tyrone got that bitch back right now. Tyrone got tired of he got tired of every 2:00 in the morning, every station, every option.
Mm-hmm.
Who would you pair up with? Who would Ashanti? What would be a good battle? Ashanti and who?
I don't know. Let the fans pick. I don't know. A couple of people have been hitting me and, asking if I would do it. Just one hair is just killing me.
Like other artists?
No, like some fans, some people in my team, some people just, regular people. Like, yo, okay. Joe, stop calling me Ashanti. I know that's your accent.
Yo, damn, you know, Remy be killing me with that all the time.
Oh
and my
my
daughter, they say you always say that. So, how should I say it?
You say it good all the time. Sometimes you slip. It's Ashanti with an E.
You know, I'm drinking all this Douce. I'm
See,
fucked up.
you doing the Dulce and you saying Ashanti, you trying to rhyme and shit. You ain't got to do all that. Ashanti.
Ashanti, Keisha Cole. Would that be a great one?
Listen, if they want to see it, I ain't mad.
I love it. Like me personally, I wouldn't do it because I'm a bad loser and even a worse winner. There won't be no woman empowerment. If the dude shit is off, I'll be like, yo, fuck him. He pussy. That's why the shit shut off. Like, I go back.
Yes, that's the problem. But I think, and I was saying that to a lot of people, but I think Jill and Erica support each other. Because that's the thing. I was like, it's only dudes doing it because women are catty. You know what I'm saying? And you may say something and, somebody may feel away, but they demonstrated pure class and it was an amazing experience. So maybe there's hope.
Heard it first on the Joker Show, the Fat Joe Show. Listen, sis, you know I love you.
Love you, Joe.
Don't worry about it.
And my lighting was set up different. I ain't got no makeup on. Like,
sis, you look amazing. Oh, you got the song out with the little baby.
Oh, the baby. Yes.
The baby.
Yes.
That's fire.
Thank you, bro. I called you about that.
I know you called me. They don't know you called me about a lot of shit. Yeah. I'll tell you.
100%.
That's all everybody cares about, man. You got to get to the bag.
100%.
Yeah, so you called me about that song.
It turned out to be something really dope because
Can I talk about what you called me about or no?
Wait, which part? That? What else?
You called just that part. You called me and you said, yo.
Oh yeah, I was like, yo.
you a whole ass grown woman. He the hottest cat in the game. Don't play.
Listen, I called a lot of people. And I was like, yo, what do you think? Because the verse was very, very vulgar. And to me, made a lot of sense. When we were in the studio together in LA, I just laid the hook down, and he was just doing his verse. When he sent it to me, I was like, damn. When he called, he was like, no, listen, I'm going to put Megan on there and she's going to, oh shit. Oh my God. Sorry, that was more so. He was like, I'm going to put Megan on there and she's going to balance it out. So I was like, oh. It was like me and him going back and forth, like, cause he does what he does. You know what I'm saying? Pull it out, not put a low hook. I was like, damn. Do you have to say that part?
He waited all his life to say that. He waited all his life.
No, but you know what's crazy? He is so nice, so like humble, and he's like he has really, really dope. It was really dope. He has a really big heart, so it all turned out really, really well. But I ain't gonna lie. When I first heard, I played it for my DJ, I played it for my dad. He was like, what the fuck? He's like, nah, turn that up.
Yo, your dad gotta know you're a big girl on
he
the
get
block.
it now.
You seen that picture I posted Ashanti tonight? What was that? That's on the merch? That's on the shirt?
That's on the merch. This is one of them. But yes, go to AshantiMerch.com. You will get that on a t-shirt. Matter of fact, we sold out. Oh, my sister, my sister, she designed everything. She set up that photo shoot. Shout out to Tim, Shia, everybody.
Yo, sis.
Listen.
You know I love you, sis. You know I love you, sis. Yo, sis. You always look so beautiful, and you're always in beautiful shape and everything. But every time I go to your shows, y'all got fried chicken, mac and cheese, every fattening shit ever created in the history of mankind. And I'm like, yo, how the fuck does Ashanti look like this eating this shit?
Yeah. Cabbage, collard greens, mac and cheese, rice and peas, sweet potato pie, cake, apple pie. It was crazy. I ate my plate after.
You ate after?
I ate after.
You feel like if you would have ate before, you would have had a little. My brother Ted Smooth is coming up when I get off with you, and we playing strictly Ashanti.
Hey, so I love tuned.
That. I love you, sis. You know that.
Love you, bro. You already know.
I love you. Be good, all right?
Thank you. Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye. Still big show. And I invite you into my living room for the price of free. And you get the biggest. Shout out Official Mafia page. Yo, my sister Ashanti, such a beautiful person. I've never had like a funny moment, meaning that how I make it my business to not be around people that act funny style around other people. And it's never ever been a funny vibe ever in history. So I love her. I love her family. I thank her for coming on. It's the biggest show on the planet Earth. If you haven't figured it out, It's the Fat Joe Show. But it's Friday, so we're Ted Smooth at. Shout out Scorpio, Mr. Ness. I mean, we do it for the people. Jen, what's up? Radar World in the building. The kid Booby. Test move. You remember? Ted, we got to get you certified. You deserve the blue.